24 Bazaar, your go-to affiliate product website for all your shopping needs. At 24-bazaar.com, we are passionate about helping our users find the products they need from a variety of trusted brands. 2-in-1 cordless air duster and vacuum cleaner, handheld, wireless, sofa and PC cleaning. Detail: keep your space clean and dust-free with our 2-in-1 cordless air duster and vacuum cleaner. This handheld device is wireless and perfect for cleaning sofas, PCs, and other hard-to-reach areas. Say goodbye to dust and dirt with this convenient cleaning tool. $8,000 portable car vacuum cleaner, handheld cordless, dual use for household and car. Detail: keep your car and home spotless with our 8,000 portable car vacuum cleaner. This handheld cordless device is perfect for dual use, allowing you to clean both your household and car effortlessly. Say goodbye to dirt and debris with this convenient and powerful vacuum cleaner. Liectrix XR500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Laser Navigation, 6500 PA Suction, Wet Mopping. Detail: experience the ultimate convenience with the Liectrix XR500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. With its advanced laser navigation and powerful 6500 PA suction, it effortlessly cleans your floors with precision. It even has a wet mopping feature for thorough cleaning. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and enjoy a spotless home with this intelligent robot vacuum cleaner. Liectrix YW209 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner, Laser Sensor, Auto Glass Wet Mopping. Detail: make window cleaning a breeze with the Liectrix YW209 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. Equipped with a laser sensor and auto glass wet mopping feature, it effortlessly cleans your windows for a streak-free shine. Say goodbye to manual scrubbing and let this intelligent robot do the work for you. Enjoy sparkling clean windows with ease and convenience. Telescopic triangled mop, 360 degrees rotatable, adjustable squeeze, wet-dry cleaning, home floor tool. Detail: effortlessly clean your floors with the telescopic triangle mop. With its 360 degrees rotatable design and adjustable squeeze feature, it makes wet and dry cleaning a breeze. This versatile home floor tool ensures efficient and thorough cleaning, leaving your floor sparkling clean. Say goodbye to dirt and grime and enjoy a cleaner home with ease. Please subscribe 24 Bazaar channel. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.